The thing I wanted to ask you is, since you are doing the copywriting for the e-commerce stores, what are your like some of the secrets up your sleeve that you would like to share with someone who would just like to start with the basically copywriting for the e-commerce stores?
That's a perfect question, and I think this is I'm trying not to generalize the question because it's kind of the same answer for anything that involves copywriting, but specifically for e-commerce is don't focus on the product. A lot of people say focus on the product, don't focus on the product, focus on what the product is going to solve for the people. And don't just start selling a product. First of all, when you choose the product, it starts with the product. Like it starts by choosing the correct product before any copywriting. And you start by saying what product is going to solve a problem for somebody. Okay. And so you know that your product is solving a specific problem. And that's already the beginning. If you have that, all your copywriting is going to be much easier because you understand that you sell this product to solve this problem and make your customer's life X better, easier, faster, whatever it is. So once it comes down to writing, you need to understand the people. So it's not the product, understand the person that's entering your website. You have to understand what is it that they desire the most? What is it that is the biggest problem that they have right now? And can your product solve that problem from them, right? And so from there you take it, and instead of focusing on the features of the product, oh, it has like this nice leather strap, and this watch has like, I don't know, it tells you the time and space or whatever. Instead of looking at the features, look at the benefits and look at the outcome of the benefits. So a great example of it, like continuing with the watch, instead of the leather strap, you could say the benefit of that, right? The benefit of this leather strap is that you're going to look more professional. And the benefit and the outcome of looking more professional is that you're going to have higher authorities in business meetings, for example, right?
Yeah.
So you're
suddenly
awesome. You're not selling the leather strap, you're selling the conversation that you're going to have, the networking power that
the
you're going
feeling
to have
for
with the person.
Guy who is going to buy it. Yeah.
Exactly. And you're going to sell them the lifestyle. Yeah, playing on the emotions. And a lot of people ask me, is that manipulation? It's not, because the way I do it is I never sell bullshit. So I never write stuff that I know is not going to happen. Like I never do that. It's more like painting an image of what it would feel like to have the watch, which is what Nike did the best. And like they sold lifestyle. Like Nike was the company that got clothes for athletes to be worn by normal people that never do sports in their lives. Because why? Because you wear their clothes and you feel like an athlete. It's the same. That's the in principle. Like don't sell the feature, sell the benefit and the outcome of the benefit of the product. That's the number one rule. And you can only do that if you really understand the people behind the ask, behind the question, like behind the traffic, like who's really looking at your store. Like become obsessed about them and become obsessed about helping them out.
Okay.
So that's my number one thing. And I could go on forever, but like if you do that alone, that's what helped me solve conversion problems for most people. That, and a really quick one is talk about them. Don't talk about your product. So talk about you. Don't talk about we or us or our product will do this or we want to show you. No. It's like you will feel this. You will be that. Like, go you, always you.
Yeah. Actually, that applies to many other industries as well.